Okay, this is a very common problem that happens on these honed, especially the darker honed stones, that you start seeing these rings or splashes sometimes like that. Not uncommon to see that. It's a combination of things that can happen, you know, maybe cleaning with a product that will build up and then you leave something and it kind of creates those marks. It's actually very, very easy to remove just using a green Scotch-Brite pad. It has to be the green one, not the blue one, because the blue is non-scratch and this will do the job. So another issue that can happen on these stones is what I call pencil marks. It's not a pencil mark, but it's normally something that's done with something in aluminum, and you know, it could be anything in your kitchen. So you got one right there, and you've got another one over here. We're going to do the scratch as well, and basically, with just, you know, the newer the pads, the kind of easier it is. That one, let's try to do this one over here. And don't be afraid, because even though this is a scour, don't be afraid, because this is granite and it's a honed granite. If it's a polished stone, never ever ever use one of these on a polished stone. You'll kill me. You'll tell me I misled you. It's only for honed stones, okay, whether it's a marble or a granite. Sometimes this happens on marble too. Okay, so after buffing everything out, this is kind of what it looks like. You can't see the rings, spots, or anything. The pencil mark is gone, that what I call pencil mark, but that's gone. I think the other ones that were here somewhere as well, also gone. And that is it. That's how you take care of those marks on these honed stones.